honestly leave our own theme song. I think we just did.
And it did. So today we have another really great recipe for you, and it's for these little coconut date macaroon balls that we love to make at home.
So we're just gonna quickly walk you through it. It's super simple and they're way better than the kind that you get in the store and cheaper.
All right, so first step is that we have some medjool dates soaking. I suppose you could also use daglet dates. Dates. is that right?
Daglet dates.
Daglet dates.
Daglet dates.
You see we have them soaking in some water to kind of plump them up a little bit. Coconut flakes. You can either use small flakes or larger flakes, it doesn't really matter. Almond meal, vanilla, salt, and a lemon. So we're gonna zest it and use the juice. And last but not least, coconut oil to kind of bind it all together. What's so great about this recipe is that you just throw everything in the food processor and whiz it, and you're essentially done. Okay, so what we're going to do first is we are going to pit our dates and just throw them in the food processor. All right, dates are in here. Next, we are going to add a cup of coconut flakes. It's an exact science, as you can tell.
All right, and then a half a cup of the almond meal. Zest of half a lemon.
We're also going to add about 1/8 of a teaspoon or like a pinch of salt just to kind of bring out that balance, the sweet and the sour, and kind of enhance all those flavors.
And about a tablespoon of lemon juice.
Last ingredient is a little bit of coconut oil. We're going to use a little bit of coconut oil. This is a normal amount. Put the lid on, stick it on the food processor, and let it run until this mixture kind of turns into the consistency of, I like to say, wet sand. Oh, the vanilla! Come on! 1 capful, which is about another 1/8 of a teaspoon of vanilla. What, sand and sticks?
Yep. So what Julie's doing right now is she's pressing it between her fingers and seeing, does this hold together? If for some reason yours is too dry, you can add a little bit more coconut oil. You can taste it for sweetness, add a little bit more dates.
Add more lemon.
Add more lemon. We just added a little bit more salt, just a pinch more.
Yummy.
Don't get lost in it for too long though.
All right, next step. All you're gonna do on this pre-prepared plate we have here, wax paper plate.
You can also use parchment.
I don't even do that. I just put it on a cookie sheet at home.
But then she'll offer you one and she'll pull them out of the freezer and be like, have one. And then you're like,
you're going to make little silver dollar sized balls. Depending on how much of the ingredients you eat while you're preparing these, you'll get about 11 or 12 out of this recipe.
Ooh, that's a big one.
That's the mommy one.
Julie's hungry.
Hungry girl. That one's for me. Aren't these just the cutest?
All right, so you technically could eat them now. We like them a little bit frozen or a lot frozen. So we're gonna put them in the freezer.
All right. I won't take the Big Daddy.
No.
We all feed
Oh,
that
it was
one
a
too.
big mama before it went in the freezer. What happened in there?
Oh, you went for the whole thing. Wow.